The secret to great video is the audio. When it comes to visual storytelling, sound is equally, if not more important, than the visuals.
Good morning, everyone.
No matter how good your image is, bad sound or no sound will ruin the experience for your audience. Great sound helps paint a picture, capture your viewers' attention, and draw them into your story. So how do we capture great sound in the field? Listen. When you show up at a location, you always want to look around for interesting visuals to tell your story. And you also want to listen for sounds that can help tell your story. So you want to listen for all the good sounds around you, but you also want to listen for the bad sounds, like airplanes, or wind, traffic noise, or people talking. For example, this is a story about a group of beekeepers. I have shots of them showing us how they work, and some shots of the bees. But if I'm doing a story on beekeepers, I need a close-up shot of bees, and I need to hear the bees. So here's a great close-up of the bees, but listen. Can you hear the people talking in the background? It's distracting, and you can't hear the bees very well. But by simply asking them to be quiet while I'm shooting, and placing the microphone just a little bit closer to the bees, the sound goes from this to this. The sound of the bees makes the story come to life. Here's another example using the shotgun mic. I'm shooting a nice beach scene, and you can hear the sound coming from the camera mic. But if I use the external mic instead, pull it off the camera and point it toward the water, this is the sound I hear. Big difference, huh? I also have a wireless microphone, and I use it all the time. So let's compare the sound. This is what the internal camera mic sounds like.
What's your favorite subject?
And this is what the wireless, or lav, sounds like.
Sixth grade. What's your favorite subject?
The sound pulls you into the video. Here are some more examples using the wireless microphone. This sound is from the camera mic. And this sound is from the wireless mic. Yep, I even put a microphone on my dog. This is the camera mic. This is the wireless. He's washing his dishes with dirt. Saying that is one thing, but hearing it adds another dimension to your storytelling. Great sound isn't just going to happen when you push the record button. You have to fight for it. Listen to the sound that surrounds you. Make sure you have the equipment you need. And get the microphone close. Great sound can take a good video and make it extraordinary.